Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Just making dinner. I'm also prepping for the next 2 days. I work tomorrow and the next day. So yeah. So I've got my rice going and it's actually already done. I've got my vegetables already prepped, which I have done before. Just carrots and broccoli. You know, I stick with what I like. You know, I don't see any reason to alter or change. You know, it's like, I most likely don't like other vegetables, so why mix it up? Got my salad already prepped. I'm doing a Caesar, warming up my cast iron skillet. I'm doing some chicken with some lemon drizzled all over it. And I've got a chicken cordon bleu in the oven that I bought just because it looked good. So that was really the only reason. So I'm gonna cut up my chicken and get it cooking, and probably be a short video because you've already seen me prep chicken before. So alrighty. So basically, what I'm doing with these is I'm gonna brown them in the pan. This is one breast I just cut into thirds. I'm just going to brown them in the pan and I'm going to throw them in the oven and bake them. Now, I like to brown them first because, you know, color equals flavor. A little garlic on there. Nice. I got a rack here. These are these food grade racks. I get just a little cooking spray, keep it sticking. Alrighty. Sorry, am I reaching again? But just want to make sure that. And there go the 5. Alrighty. See, those are good. Yep. Kill the heat. This one's a little piece, but that's alright. No discrimination. Just got some lemon slices and just douse these in lemon juice. Put that right on top. Who cares? I got these racks from camping that you guys have seen in many videos, so I'm gonna utilize these and put that on top. That way I'm not dirtying up an extra pan. Oven's already heated up. There's the cordon bleu cooking. Pop that whole thing in the oven and turn on the steamer. So I got basically 20 minutes. I'll set my kitchen timer anyway. The chicken already started to cook. I'm just basically finishing it in the oven. And by having it in the rack, it's going to drain away all the grease. So, heck yeah. Should be good. And this is just some butter in here. I'm just gonna melt that, pour it over the vegetables. So, alright, let's get the salad mixed up. I love Caesar salad. It is my favorite salad. It might have been a little too much. Got the wishbone creamy Caesar. And gotta have a few. Oh, I was gonna bake a piece of bread and I forgot. A few croutons. Get that going. Stir it up. I think it's might probably be okay on the dressing. Got a little fresh cracked pepper. Kind of a must. Let's see how that chicken came out. Of course, I gotta temp it for safety. Oh yeah, it's probably a little overcooked. I think it might be a little overcooked. We'll go ahead and we'll take a bite of dressing. I just want to quickly poke, rub this chicken. It's not quite done. Pop in one slice of Texas toast. There we go. 5 minutes for that. And just a little bit of unsalted butter just drizzled over the vegetables. There we go. Outside a knife and we'll... There's dinner. Well, part of dinner, and I'll pull the other chicken out. Try to do a bite. Nice. I guess, come on camera, focus. Jerk. See if I burn my mouth. Oh, there you go. Chicken, plain rice, which I love jasmine rice, I'll eat it plain every day. Camera's crooked. Piece of carrot. Piece of broccoli. Wow, that's good. All right. Oh. 20 seconds left on the bread. Let's see if the bread's done. Not quite. I'll check on it and chicken in 3 minutes. Alrighty, I have a empty plate. What'd I do with it? Oh, empty bowl. Working on a pretty serious food coma. I think it came out looking quite good myself. To get rid of the... I know it's fully cooked because I hit it with a temperature probe. Just chuck the lemon out. Do a little taste. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna move that to a plate. Oh, come on. Alright. First the thigh. Just a little hint of lemon. And a piece of breast. Home run. Alright. Alright. So that's kind of what I meant by prepping my lunches. So now I have chicken, vegetables, and rice in here. And I'll just let, when this cools down, I'll just take it to work, warm it up in the microwave, and I have lunch. I could have taken the chicken, sliced it real thin, put it on some bread, boom, sandwich. That chicken was really not expensive and tastes a hell of a lot better than that processed crap you can get. So I'm going to clean up the disaster area called my kitchen. And have a good night, everybody. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.